Hey guys, it's Dr. Diaz again with Momentum Chiropractic and Rehab. We actually have a special guest here, Dr. Michelle. We were showing an adjustment here and we decided to go ahead and record it. She has some hypertonicity here in the upper thoracic spine, and we're going to get some movement here through the spine. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. You okay?
Yes.
She's like, no. No. Relax right in here for me. Very good. Relax right in here for me. Very good. Now we're going to get a bilateral contact here in the cervical region. Okay. Good. Very good. Okay. Let me have you lay on your side facing this way for me. Okay. Top leg bent, bottom leg straight. We're going to go right over here. Okay. Right here. There. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Lay facing the opposite way for me. Top leg bent, bottom leg straight. Fingers on here. Good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. All right, excellent. All good.